Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making stir-fried beef, a very healthy dish, and I hope all of you are doing well. So let's get into our ingredients. I have my ingredients here ready. I have broccoli, they are frozen, they are already pre-cooked. You can use fresh broccoli. I have beef steak here. I have 1 piece tomato, 1 piece carrot, a small piece of ginger, 1 piece onion, half a piece of red bell pepper. And for the sauce, we are going to use cornstarch or corn flour, some black pepper, some salt, some oyster sauce. We are going to use oyster sauce, and soy sauce, and tomato paste here, and of course our oil for frying our vegetables. So what we are going to do next is we are going to chop up our meat, our vegetables, and make them ready. We have all of our vegetables already prepped and cut into the sizes that I like. So just cut into whatever shape or size that you like for your vegetables. I prefer to leave my broccoli into this shape, this size I mean. And carrots, tomatoes, just cut them into whatever shape that you like. This is the slurry for our vegetables. So now we are going to go into the first step, which is to boil our beef first. To my pan here, I have set my heat on high heat. I'll just add in my beef, and then I'll go in also with my ginger. I had cut them earlier. So we're just going to boil our beef first, and then we're going to slowly add in the rest of the ingredients when our meat cooks. And then I'm going to add some black pepper at this point for it to boil with my beef. About half a teaspoon of black pepper. Salt, I'll add in first of all half a teaspoon, and then I will just adjust it along the way as we are cooking. So we're just going to give this a good mix. And then I'm going to add in my water. Give it about 10 minutes for it to boil up and become tender. So I'll just cover my meat and give it some time to cook. So what we are going to do next with our sauce, we are making our sauce for our stir-fry vegetable and beef. We want to make a slurry from the sauces and the corn flour or cornstarch. So I will just take 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I will place it here. So a slurry is simply adding water to your cornstarch so that when you're adding to your sauce, it's not going to form those lumps. So you need to first of all pre-make your slurry before adding it to your sauce, to cornstarch. I have 1 piece of vegetable Maggi cube for vegetables. So I'll just crush it with my fingers into small pieces and place it in. And then I'm going to add here 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then I'm going to add my oyster sauce. I'll add 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. So we are making our slurry. So 3 tablespoons. Going to add more flavor to your stir-fry vegetable and beef. If you'd like, you can just make the vegetables on their own without the beef if you don't like eating meat. So I'm just going to give this a good mix, and then I'm going to add in a bit of water to my mixture, just a little bit. Just give it a good mix. I will add in about half a cup of water to my slurry. So just add a bit of water, and then I'll be adding this to my vegetable and beef. So after maybe 10 to 15 minutes of boiling, I'm going to add my carrots so that they will be tender. They will be boiled and become tender at this point. So after about 5 minutes, my water has reduced and my carrots have softened. Now we're going to move to the next step. I'm just going to add about 1 tablespoon of oil. 1 tablespoon of oil. And then I'm going to go in with my onions and give it some time to cook and to also soften. So we are going to be adjusting our salt and the other flavors as we move. So I'm just going to give a few minutes for I'm going to throw in my yellow bell pepper. Also give this a good mix. Give them some time as well. My meat is already cooked up now. Let's give it a taste. So I'll be adding in a bit of salt. Test your food and adjust your flavors as you go. I will add in a bit of salt. It's not enough. So next I'll be adding my tomatoes. And we are also going to give this a few minutes to just soften and to be cooked. I will cover my food so that our tomatoes can cook up faster. So after a few minutes, my vegetable, my tomato has softened. I'm now going to add in my tomato paste. 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Give it a good mix as well. And give it a few minutes. I'm going to add in my broccoli because mine was already cooked. That's why I'm adding at this kind of stage. So if you're using fresh broccoli, you're going to have to cook it first for about 3 minutes. Just boil it, steam it for about 3 minutes and then add it at this stage because we don't want to overcook our vegetables. So add it at this stage and just give it a good mix. So finally, we are going to add in the slurry that we had made earlier with our sauces and our Maggi cube, so we will add it in. And another thing, the cornstarch also aids your sauce to be thick. It thickens your sauce. That's another benefit of using cornstarch. So I'm just going to give this a good mix, and then since I'm having it with my rice, I'm going to add a bit of water, just a little bit. And then I'm going to give this a few minutes for our slurry to cook, and then remove it. So finally I'm going to check it after a few minutes. So I'm just going to give it a final test and adjust my flavors if I need to. And it is good. It's tasting very yummy. So this is the final result of our beef stir fry with vegetables. Finally, I have removed my beef stir fry with vegetables. It's tasting so yummy. Just give it a try. Promise you're going to love it. Kindly subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button with the red mark, and click like, comment down below, and share to your friends and family. Until next time, enjoy.